New Life Monitor Dosage System is the perfect solution for pharmacists, designed by a pharmacist for pharmacists. New Life saves time and labour costs for the pharmacist, whilst at the same time improving patient care. The New Life Monitor Dosage System's large components make it simple to fill, patient-friendly and easy for pharmacists to change medicines midway through cycle. Available in both 28 and 42 pod sizes, New Life is very practical and sturdy. With its large, transparent pods, the pharmacist and importantly the patient can easily see the medication to be taken at the prescribed times. The New Life Monitor Dosage System comes with a computer application. This allows the pharmacist print out a medicines management page for each patient, which is then attached to the New Life pack. This page shows the name of the medication, a colour picture and description of each medication, the time it is to be taken during the day and medical indications. The medicines management page also allows the pharmacist to make a comprehensive final check of the medications by laying them on the page to check against the patient's prescription. Patients and pharmacists alike have found this, the New Life Medicines Management page, to be of huge benefit. Unlike other monitor dosage systems, with New Life, if the patient has to change their medication mid-cycle, it is made very easy. New Life Monitor Dosage System is the perfect solution for pharmacists.